This video will teach you how to make the screen go dark while presenting a PowerPoint slideshow. Pressing B on your keyboard. Start the presentation. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Click on the icon for presentation mode or go to View Slideshow. You can also press F5 in your keyboard to start the slideshow. Press the B key on your keyboard. To return to the presentation, press the B key again. To make the screen go white, simply press the W key on your keyboard. Press it again to return to the presentation. Adding a black slide. Make the background black. Click on Design tab and click Format Background. In the Fill section, select Solid Fill and choose the color. Select the color black from the list of theme colors. If you'd like to give every slide a black background, then click Apply to All. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.